Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the RacksBracks HD Hitch. Let's get straight into it. Here we go. Alright, so as we open the box, we've got a nice little thank you card there. Got a nice sticker to put on the vehicle. We've got some mounting instructions. We've got some instructions on how to make a freestanding awning. And we have our safety warning and warranty. Now into the actual brackets themselves. Here we have our keys and some mounting pins. Here we have all the rest of the nuts and bolts for the whole bracket kit. Have little handles. We have some of these. Let's find out what they are in a bit. Then we have the actual brackets themselves. And of course we have two of them. I just got the HD standard pack, so you can get other packs. So I believe it is written on the box here. The standard just comes with 2, and the tradesman comes with 4, I believe, or there's 2 different types, so you can choose how many you want from that. So that's everything from the box. Let's have a look at it. Alright, so let's have a look at these instructions, see how easy it is to put together. So some very clear photographs, and I mean, I think even I could put this together. Very nice and simple. So, I believe these are your pins which slide in to keep the brackets together. See how well they work. Oh, look at that, easy as that, they all just pull apart. Nice and simple. It's quite a sturdy feeling bracket. Not too heavy. They're a lot bigger than I thought they'd be. Let's have a look at how the key works. We have our little lanyards. I believe they're to attach this to the actual bracket itself, so you can't lose these. Now these would look like they're for mounting in your awning or something like that. And here's our keys. So we slide this in there, it goes all the way through and clips in. You can see at the back here it actually pops out, so you know when you've clipped it in properly. Feels quite nice and firm. There we go, that's a nice clip there. Nice simple slimline design. So this is currently unlocked. Turn the key to the locked position. And I believe, if I can get the key out. Look at that, it's not going anywhere. So no one can steal your brackets now. Not going anywhere at all. And if you want to take your whatever accessory off, you just simply turn it that way. Yeah, should come in. Look at that. Turn it that way. Simple as that. Alright, so we've had a bit of a look at them. Just to recap, we've got our instruction manuals and everything over here. Nice little welcome package. All the bolts and accessories. Got little handles to help us. Got the pins to go in. Got some more mounting screws. Got little lanyards for the pins to be attached to the actual bracket. Got the brackets themselves, 2 of them. And in the package I also got this lovely hat. So let's get straight into mounting it, mate.
The first step in mounting your RacksBraks is to remove the awning from the vehicle and take off the old mounts. So your next step in the RacksBraks install is to mount the new mounts. These can be purchased from their website, however we already had Rhino Rack ones sitting around. So in step 3 we're actually attaching the HD hitch to the vehicle and the awning. So the bigger part goes onto the vehicle and the smaller pieces will go onto the awning, which will then attach into the bigger pieces. The final step in the process is to attach the actual awning. It does take quite a bit of adjustments to get it perfect, but you'll get it when you put it on.
Well, there we go, the bracket is installed. It only took about 2 hours, including the Rhino Rack bracket with Dad's help. So please let me know if you've enjoyed this video. Follow these guys, check them out, they're great products. There's nothing like it on the market. RacksBraks.com.au, use my discount code Cheeky15. I'll catch you next time on the next Cheeky Adventures.
Well, there we go guys, the full unboxing and install of the RacksBraks HD Hitch. Make sure you guys follow the link in the description to check out all their products. I'll catch you next time.